Alright, we're going to take a look at how this game of 2048 will work. So I have my runner file here and I have already completed the program. So I'm going to run the runner file first and you can see what it looks like. So when you run the runner file, my program launches Firefox. The next thing it does is it opens up this URL for 2048 and then it plays the game 100 times. It's doing this all on its own, which is exactly what it should be. And then when it has gone through 100 attempts, it's going to tell me what the final score was, which in this case is 708. So there we go, the final score is 708. So a couple of things I want to show you. In the runner file, that's play2048-runner.py, you can change this parameter here. So if instead of 100 tries, for example, I wanted to do 50, so you can see what this looks like. Your program that you're going to create should account for that, should be able to use that parameter. So now you'll see that my program will run 50 times, and you can look down here and you can see that it's running 50 times instead of 100. And then at the end of the 50 times, it's going to tell us what that final score was, which was 2396. So in essence, what your program has to do is it has to use Selenium to launch a window in Firefox, and then once it has launched that window in Firefox, it will load up this URL to start a game of 2048. Once it has done that, it will read this parameter from the runner file. In this case it was 50, and then it will run through that many iterations of the game, and each iteration will require your program to play a sequence of up arrow, left arrow, down arrow, right arrow. And the instructions in the play2048.py file tell you exactly what order those arrows will be played in. And that's about it. I just wanted to show you a little bit of how this would look once it's running. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me.